And we're back to learn CapCut in here, day 57. Let me show you the pattern canvas. So I'll change here the aspect ratio to 16:9, but we've got a 9:16 clip. Under Video Basic, I scroll down to the canvas, open a drop down, and here we have a pattern preset. Let me open this a little bit. You can download them, be careful, the first ones here are pro, but most of them, at least for now, are free to use. Just click on the download icon and then they will be added. Some are a little bit strange, some are themed, for example Halloween, Christmas stuff. So in principle, the pattern canvas here is simply a different background image. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.